Ingredients: 2 lemon, 1 tablespoon crushed coriander, 1 bunch of chopped fresh mint leaves, 2 bunches of chopped fresh coriander, salt as per taste or with your choice. In my recipe it is 1 teaspoon, 1 teaspoon of cumin seed, 1 tablespoon of crushed red chili or chili flakes, 6 to 7 chopped green chili, if you don't need hot less or omit it, but it smells good in the mixture. And in the last, the main ingredient that is not shown here is half kilogram potatoes. Wash your hands and coarse mash them and leave aside flakes in the mashed potatoes. Add cumin seeds. Add salt. Add coriander seeds. Add mint leaves. Add chopped coriander. And in the end add chopped green chili. Mix well. Now squeeze 2 lemon. Mix again and leave aside. Wash your hands before kneading. Kneading requires working the dough between your bare hands. So wash them and dry them well before you begin. Gather the dough into a pile. Go ahead and work the dough with your hands, forming it into a ball, pressing it down and reshaping it. Continue doing so until the dough is no longer as sticky. You can lightly dust your hands with flour to keep the dough from sticking too much. Punch the dough. Press the heels of your hands into the dough, pushing forward slightly. This is called punching the dough and helps the gluten start working. Continue doing this. Divide stuffing into some whole parts and give them a shape of ball. Divide prepared dough into. Take dry wheat flour in a plate for dusting. Take 1 dough patty and coat it with dry wheat flour on both sides. It will prevent dough from sticking to rolling board. Put it on rolling board and roll it out into a circle of approximately 4 to 5 inch diameter using rolling pin. Make a pair of it. Put one portion of stuffing on the one roti, another one put on the top of it. Seal the edges and again roll out again with the help of rolling pin. Wrap stuffing ball by lifting all sides of rolled circle towards top. Roll it out into circle of 8 to 9 inch diameter, like roti or chapati. Do not make it very thin by pressing it too much. Place it on a hot tawa, griddle and cook over medium flame. When tiny bubbles starts to rise on the surface, flip it and reduce flame to low. Spread 1/2 teaspoon oil around its edge with the help of spatula and cook for approximately 30 to 40 seconds. Flip it again and spread 1/2 teaspoon oil around its edge. Press it with spatula and cook for 30 to 40 seconds over medium flame. Repeat flip and press process until golden brown spots appear on both sides of paratha. No need to spread oil after doing it once in previous steps. Transfer it to a plate and spread butter on it. Prepare remaining aloo parathas by following same process. Serve it with tomato raita and pickle. Tips and variations. Knead very smooth dough to roll them out easily. Use milk instead of water to knead dough for softer outer layer. Mash potatoes properly and weed out chunks, if any. This will help rolling them out smoothly. Avoid green chili if you are preparing it for kids. Add mint leaves or crushed ginger garlic in stuffing for spicier taste. Based on type of tawa, griddle you are using, you might have to adjust heat intensity while shallow frying. As well in breakfast. Wrap it in aluminium foil and give it in your kids in lunchbox as a healthy snack. Thanks for watching the video. If you like my effort, please like, subscribe and don't forget to press the bell. Have a nice day.